Hi guys, welcome back to my page and welcome to day 17 of 25 makeup looks for Christmas. I'm here with my sister's friend Jeff and we're going to recreate some makeup on him. I'm really excited. How are you feeling? Good? Good. So I hope you guys are also excited for this and we're going to show you guys the inspiration photo. This is the inspiration photo for today's makeup look. I'm really excited to see it. He picked it out, so we're just going to go in with this look today. And I'm really excited to see what it looks like on him. If you guys are excited to see all of the rest of the makeup looks this month, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications. I'm really excited to see what this will look like on Jeff, so let's get started. From Unleashia, going in with their Sorbet cleanser. This one is really nice and lightweight. It gently cleanses the skin and just makes sure that it feels really fresh. From Badescu, going in with their facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. This is really refreshing and just makes the skin feel really nice and hydrated. And it has like a really nice glow to the skin as well. HaruHaruWonder Black Rice Backuciol Eye Cream. I'm going to take this on his under eye. This one really helps moisturize and then helps with any like fine lines or issues with the skin. Purito's Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen. This one is really hydrating, has great sun protection, it's SPF 50, and it's very long lasting on the skin. So he brought his own foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This is in the shade Cool Bone. I'm just going to use a makeup spatula to apply that all over the skin, just giving him a really nice even layer, and then going back in and adding more if I think the coverage is not enough. Milani Conceal Imperfect in the shade Nude Ivory. Going to take this under his eye and then a little around his nose just to conceal some of the redness. From Out of Office, going in with their Sculptural Contour Stick. This one is in 04. Going to use this to add some definition around his face, like around his dimples, a little on his cheekbones, and then a little definition around his nose as well. From Momo's Workshop, going in with their medium-sized sponge, and I'm going to use that to buff all of the contour out onto the skin, just nicely blending it out. Going in with this JCAT liquid concealer, going to take this down his nose, on his forehead, upper lip, chin, and then a little under his eye to brighten. I'll go back in with that blending sponge to buff that into the skin. From Sunflower, we think we're going in with this 4-color dressing tray. This is the contour, taking the darker shade to set all of the contour around his face. In Cosmetics Portrait Mode Setting Powder and Sheer, taking that with a triangle puff, just setting all of the cream products on his face, making sure it stays nice and matte. Pengsi Cosmetic Art Brow Pencils, going to take the gray in the front of his brow to add some definition, and then use the black on the tails just to make sure that stands out more. For eyeshadow today, going into the PLouise Wedding Wish palette, taking a fluffy brush, taking Endless Love, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. On a fluffy brush, going in with Ring on it, and I'm going to take that all over the lower lid. Going back in with that lighter powder to highlight around the eye. Taking in this fluffy brush, going into the shade Forever Yours. I'm going to take that on the outer V and on the lower lash line. A flat brush, going into Commitments and Invite Only, and I'm going to take that all over the lower lash line to really highlight that area. Taking that shimmer shade, I'm just going to put that a little on the eye to highlight. From FlowerKnows, going in with their Strawberry Rococo blush in the shade Berry Mary. Using a FlowerKnows blush brush, I'm going to take that on his cheeks, a little on the nose, and then on his chin. Then go in with some white eyeshadow to add some emphasis around his eyebrows and a little bit around the eyes. Going to take more of that concealer just to add a couple stars around the face. Going to add a little bit of that concealer to the hair. From Unleashia, going in with their Gloss Bomb. This is the Sunset Dazzle Gloss Bomb in the shade Bora Bora. I'm going to use a brush to just lightly put that over his lips. Okay, so this is going to be the look completed. I think it turned out really cool. What do you think?
Cool.
Good. I think this, like, the snow looks really good.
Yeah.
I like the eyes and the eyebrows. They look really cool. And then we added some of the concealer to his hair. It looks all really cool. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my page and turn on the post notifications so you can be notified when I upload next. And then add the playlist that all of the 25 makeup looks for Christmas are a part of to your library so you can watch my videos from there. Do you want to put your social social media on there? Okay, so I'm gonna put his social media down below. So if you wanna go follow him, please do. He's a great singer. And so I'm really excited that he was able to come and be a model today. All the products that I used on him today, even his products, I'm gonna try to link them all down below. So if there's something you wanna use, please go down there and grab it. I can't think of anything else I wanna add, so we'll go ahead and cue that montage.